Help us out.
But like, you know,
by making a
putting
little
your
bit of
hands
noise.
up, standing up, making some noise, dancing,
doing a cabbage patch.
you know what I'm saying?
I be dope, never settle for less. This is the second bar of my 8, yes it's the best. I'm trying to hang out, but I'm looking at the girl in the window with the yellow dress. And a cat with the window, you got a camera phone on, yo, it's a game like Nintendo. I don't even know if she's kinfolk, but yo, I'm been scoped. Really, I done been scoped.
It's just another page, the way I showed that I'm the range of the machine. Freestyling, man, I am doing my thing. Rap for you and not for the cream. Why I don't need a stage to turn the next page of the chapter. Man, I be dope if I have to rhyme from right now until the fucking rapture.
And then we got some dope shit that you can come back for. Cause man, this is right here, real shit, no actors. The missing factor, yo, the super sculpture. This is that culture, hanging out, magnetic, ultra. Yeah, this is that thing that will not insult you. So, we can't do control, we just get a hold. What you here for?
We chillin' in the cut, smoking the cigarettes and cigarette butts. That's how we strut. That's how we strut.
KC, making the tracks. Wanna catch straight, making the jacks, yo. Got the girl with the dress in the back, yo. I'm impressed, I'm gonna press the slacks. Bringing it back, making my people bring new. We ain't no jack, come on. Bringing it back.
Like a track meet, coming like a marathon. If you hustle, but you know who is after me. Is it the police? Is it NWA? Is the nigga with the attitude? PWA, bitches with attitude. If I make a move, pretty cool. This how I do. This the new school. I can give it back, I throw back old school. Who knew? This might be clear with us. This how I do. Yeah, niggas is redundant. This is how I'm studying. Like Birdman, but you know I'm number one. Yeah, Birdman, I'm on a curve serving. This is how I do. You from my home early. Cause I'm just like that. Attitude world, yeah, I'm acting rude. This is how I do, boo. Yeah, what's up? This is how I do, yeah, we get that drunk. Make the beat face and a pump. This is how I do, yeah. It's a 100 California, it's a last spot. It's the side that make it hotter, cause they know I'm come up. This is how I do it, this is what they know will come up. This is how the underground niggas know will come up. Trying to get this money stacked, but you know we get that. Back, you know you whack. When they coming like you an actor. Backpacking, come on. I'm over packing up these tools, go to rooms, this is how I do. Niggas, it's a butt. Fuck that, you know. I'ma come back and I'ma put it to the side of this rhythm.
We're doing the summer. That's my girl Chloe, she doing numbers. That's my girl Chloe, she doing numbers. I mean, as soon as you show up, you doing numbers. Come on, numbers. We got you all numbers.
They're doing numbers. And Queen Mary, I'm the spruce, put the noose around your neck. Mic check 1, 2, and I want to show you that a fact you don't deserve to. Here's an EMS rhyme right now, every time that I rhyme to the top of the beat. My style is unique, be the words that I speak. My lyrics get linked across the world. Right now I am furled, I'm tight like a pearl on an African's head. You're misled. We're tighter than dreads. Tighter than dreads. Repeat what I said. Hey, how y'all feeling? Whoa. We just bustin'. Yo, we just bustin'. We adjustin'. To the beat, there's no discussion. We just bustin'. Right now we bustin'. Then we bustin', adjustin'. To the beat with no discussion. With the bass and percussion.